Hello children, welcome back to class 6, second language English. Hope you are all attending the classes right? Today we will learn a new lesson, a chart with a grasshopper. Are you all ready with your textbooks and notebooks, pen and pencil? Yes, come on, let's start the class. Today we will learn a new lesson, a chart with a grasshopper. Children, I hope you are all ready with your textbook, notebook, pen and pencil. Before going to the class, let us have some fun. You are all ready for the fun? Yes, come on. Now, I am going to ask you some riddles. Yes, you have to answer that. Let us see what is the first one. What jumps when it walks and sits when it stands? What am I? Once again, what jumps when it walks and sits when it stands? What am I? You may have some clues here only in the picture itself. Yeah, you got it? Yes, your answer is correct. It's a frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Frog will jumps when it walks and sits when it stands. You are correct. What is the second one? I have 4 legs, I have a short tail, I have horns. Who am I? Here also you have clues. Yes, you are correct. It's a goat. See, it has 4 legs, 2 horns and a short tail. Your answer is correct. What has hands and a face but can't hold anything or smile? It has hands, face, can't smile and can't hold anything. What is that? Think about. Yes, it is correct. You are all correct. That is clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. What is the third one? I have a tail and a head but no body. What am I? ನನಗೆ ಬಾಲ ಇದೆ, ತಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ನಾನು? ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. You are right. It is a coin. ನೋಡಿ, ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೈಲ್ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ? We will play with the coin. Heads or tails ಅಂತ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? Yes. C-O-I-N, coin. You are right. What is the next one? I'm a summertime singer. I have several legs and eyes. I am farmer's friend. Can you guess who am I? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡುತ್ತಂತೆ, ಭಾಳ ಕಾಲುಗಳಿದೆಯಂತೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಿದೆಯಂತೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಂತೆ. ಯಾರು ನೋಡೋಣ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ? Did you guess? Yes. You are always correct, children. It's a grasshopper. It's a grasshopper. See? G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R, grasshopper. Correct. Did you enjoy the riddles? Okay. Yes. Come on. Let's move to the lesson now. See, what is the lesson? A chart with a grasshopper. Grasshopper andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Before we go to the class, let us learn some new words. Some new vocabulary words. What are those? Toxic. T-O-X-I-C, toxic. What is meant by toxic? ಏನು toxic ಅಂದರೆ? Something poisonous. ವಿಷಕಾರಿಯದು. ವಿಷಕಾರಿ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನದು? ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯ್ಸನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್. ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಷ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿಗಳು ಹೋಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೀಟನಾಶಕ, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇಟ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ even We should not eat it. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಯ್ಸನಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ health. It is poison. It is not good for health. Yes. What is the next one? Insect. 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 ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ? Correct. What is meant by insect? See, so many insects are there in this picture. Can you find out? Here is a fly, honeybee, butterfly, grasshopper, and many more insects are there. What is meant by insect? A small creature which has 6 legs and pairs of wings. See, we can see pairs of wings, legs, 6 legs. We can identify the insect. Fly is an insect. We can say like this, fly is an insect. I know you are all copying all these sentences and words, right? Good. One more new word, children. What is that? Mate. M-A-T-E, mate. What is the meaning of mate? Friend. Tumba friends idaralva nimgunu? Yes. See here? You can see in the picture some friends are there. Here someone are playing. How can we say? Raju is my classmate. Instead of friend, we can say classmate, roommate, busmate. Yes, we can say like that. Raju is my classmate. Okay, let us move to the lesson now. Children, now let us read the lesson. Now I am going to read the lesson for you. You have to listen very carefully because you have also read afterwards. Okay, come on, let us read the lesson now. All of you open page number 75. Let's read and enjoy the lesson. One day, students of class 6 visited a park with their class teacher. All of them enjoyed and played well in the park. While they were playing and enjoying, Roshan, Tina, Rani and Ani saw a green insect flying around and sitting on the stem of a tree. They were surprised to see it. They slowly went near the insect. See? All are seeing the insect. The insect is on the stem. They are all surprised. Come on, let's move. Raju. Wow, what a beautiful insect. Ramya. May I know your name, please? Hoppy. I'm a summertime singer. I have several legs. I'm farmer's friend. Can you guess who am I? Hoppy. I'm a summertime singer. I have several legs and eyes. I am farmer's friend. Can you guess who I am? Raju. You are Midte. Hoppy. Yes, I am a grasshopper. Rani. Where do you live? Where can we find you? Hoppy. I live in different places. You can find me everywhere. You will find 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshoppers in this world. Raju. Okay, my dear. Tell me, how you fly? Hoppy. I have 2 sets of wings for flying. Do you have wings, children? Ani. No, I don't have wings. We want to fly like you. All the friends are happy and dream of flying with the grasshopper. Okay, children. Now, I am going to summarize the lesson. Are you all ready? You should listen carefully because you have to answer my questions later. Good. See, one day class 6 students went to a park. They were all enjoying playing there. Suddenly they saw a green color creature, insect, was on the stem of the tree. They were all run together and saw the green creature. What is that insect? What is that insect? Grasshopper. Yes. Roshan, Tina, Rani and Ani all were playing there. Then Raju asked, wow, what a beautiful insect it is. All were exclaimed. They were all surprised to see that creature and said, wow, what a beautiful insect it is. And Ramya said, may I know your name please? Ramya is asking to the creature, insect. What? May I know your name please? She doesn't know what is that creature. Hoppy said, I'm a summertime singer. I have several legs and eyes. I'm the farmer's friend also. And can you guess who am I? Then Raju told, you are Midte. Neenu Midte anta gottu namge. Then Rani asked, where do you live? Where can we find you? Where do you live? Where can we find you? Like that, Rani is asking to the insect. Insect is replying that it lives in different places and we can find more number of varieties of insects like that. 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshoppers in this world, it is telling. And again Raju is telling, okay my dear, how do you fly? Because we are not flying right? We cannot fly right. That's why Raju is asking that insect, how do you fly? Let me please explain. Ani telling, Hoppy replied, I have 2 sets of wings. Because of wings only, the fly is flying. That insect, grasshopper, is flying because of the 2 wings. It has 2 wings. Do you have wings, children? It is asking to the children. But Ani replied, no, we don't have wings. Right? We don't have wings. We have legs. Right? We want to fly like you. That's why she is also asking the Hoppy. We also like to fly like you, Hoppy, please. Hoppy is telling, okay, I'll teach you how to fly. So then children were become very happy and they were all dreaming about how to fly with the grasshopper. So many varieties of grasshoppers. This is yellowish one, this is greenish. See, this is green one, red one, yellow one. So many number of grasshoppers. Red one, very different. Are you all enjoying? Yes. See? Come on. Now, let's recall the lesson. I'll ask you question. I know you will answer very easily. Good children. First one. Why were the students surprised? Why the students were surprised? Why were the students surprised? They were surprised because they saw a green insect flying around them. Your answer is correct. Yes, children. What is the second question? How many wings does the grasshopper have? ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಿಡತೆಗೆ? Yes, your answer is correct. The grasshopper has 2 sets of wings. Grasshopper has 2 sets of wings. Correct. What is the third question? How many varieties of grasshoppers can we find? How many varieties? Yeah, it is in thousands. Yes. We can find 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshoppers in the world. ತುಂಬ 11,000ದಿಂದ 18,000ದಷ್ಟು ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಧವಾದಂಥ ಮಿಡತೆಗಳು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshoppers are there in the world. Yes, children, now let us learn how to frame the questions. Okay, come on, let us see what are the words before asking the question we have to put. Why, where, what, when, how, who, these are all the question words. The sentence must start from these words. Okay? Let us know. So, this is the picture of cake. This is cake. Isn't it? How can we ask the question to this? What is this? Very simple. We can ask like this. What is this? Then they will answer. This is picture of cake. Yes. When we are going to ask the question, we have to start. What is this? See this picture? For this also we can ask. What is this? What means asking for information or about something. For that purpose, we start the sentence or question with what. What is the word? We must add in the beginning. Asking for information or about something, then we start with the word what. See, what is this? What is this? We can say, what is that also? What is this? What is that? What is your name? What andre? Enu. Good. Come on, let's move to the next one. Yes, very popular national leaders. How can we ask the question? Who is he? We all know he is Mahatma Gandhi. He is Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Yes. How can we frame the question? Who is he? The word who is the question word. See, who. When we asking about what or which person, we start the question with the word who. ಯಾರು ಇವರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ who. Who is he? Who is she? Who is this? We can ask like that. See what he is doing? Yes, he is crying. How can we ask the question now? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? ಅವಾಗ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್? ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್. ಸಿ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್? ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್? ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅವನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ನಗೋರ್ನ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ವೈ. ವೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ. ಎಸ್, ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾರಣ ಏನು? ವೈ. ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್? ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್? ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೈ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. They are greeting each other. Their friends are meeting. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್? ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೆ? ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಯು, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು? asking reason or confirmation or sharing ideas. Then if we want to ask the questions on this, we start with the word how. H-O-W, how. How are you? How did you come? How do you feel? These are all the questions we can ask. Wonderful picture. See, both are going. You might understand where they are going. Then, what can we ask to them? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? They are going somewhere. Then we are asking them, where are you going? If we want to ask the question, where is the book? Pustaka ellide? Where is the book? Where are you going? So both sentences or both questions started with the word where. Where is the book? We know book is on the table. The book is on the table. We have to ask the question now. Where is the book? Where are you going? Asking about the place or position, we use where. ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೇರ್, WHERE, ವೇರ್ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಡಾಲ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Whose doll is this? Whose doll is this? Seems this doll is not hers. That's why she is asking, whose doll is this? ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದೆ? ಇದು ಡಾಲ್ ಯಾರ್ದು? Whose mobile is this? You will get some book or pen or pencil in our classroom. You can ask, whose pen is this? Whose book is this? Like that you can ask. See, whose mobile is this? Whose doll is this? Asking about the ownership. ಯಾರ್ದಿದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ we will start the question like whose. Whose mobile is this? Whose doll is this? Understand? Yes, come on, let's go to the next one. Wow, what a beautiful rose. Both two roses are here. Very beautiful roses. Which color do you like? You have two roses with you. You are asking your friend, ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ. Then, what do you say? Which color do you like? ನಿನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಕಲರ್ನ ನೀನು ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ವಿಚ್ ಕಲರ್ ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್? ವಿಚ್, WHICH. Asking about the choice. Already I said no. Asking about the choice. You are giving the choice to select which one she likes. Maybe she likes orange one or white one. You are giving the choice to pick the rose. Then you are asking, which color do you like? ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬಣ್ಣ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀನು ತಗೋ. Yes, asking about the choice. Then we start the question by which word? Which, WHICH, which. Oh, children are ready to drink the milk. So you will also drink the milk in your schools, right? Yes. What is the question? When do you drink milk? When do you drink milk? Children are having their lunch. What is the question? When do you eat your lunch? ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿತೀರಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. When do you drink milk? When you are going to drink the milk? When do you drink the milk? When, WHEN, when. When do you drink milk? Here, when do you eat your lunch? Asking about the time. ಯಾವಾಗ, ಯಾವ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ we use the word when. 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 Are you following, children? Good. What? Again, we can repeat that. What? ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Asking for information or about something. We use what. Who? Asking about what or which person. Who is he? Who is she? Who are you? Who is your friend? Who is your father? Who is your mother? Like that. Why? Asking for reason. Why are you late today? Why are you looking very dull? These are all the questions starting with why. Asking for reason. ಯಾಕೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು why ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. How? Asking reason, confirmation, sharing ideas. Asking reason. How are you? How did you come? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ನೀನು? ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೌ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Where? Asking about the place or position. Where is the book? Where is your friend? Where is your textbook? These are all the questions we can ask from the question word where. We can start the question word where. Whose? Asking about the ownership. Whose pen is this? Whose book is this? Whose voice is this? These are all the questions we can ask. Which? Asking about the choice. Asking about the choice is which. When? Asking about the time. When did you come? When will we meet? These are all the questions related to the time. Yes, children, this is time for homework. Children, would you like to fly like a grasshopper? Why or why not? If you want to fly like a grasshopper, why do you like it? Or if you don't want to fly like a grasshopper, why not? Take down this homework, write few sentences about this and show it to your English teacher. Okay, I hope you have all enjoyed the class today. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you. Yours Lakshmi Shastri, Assistant Mistress, Government Higher Primary School, Chandrappa Circle, Bangalore Urban District. Thank you, children.